Enter LG's ProBake Convection, a total rethinking of the convection process. Rather than splitting the heat across multiple locations, ProBake moves all the heat to the back of the oven, surrounding a powerful 2-speed fan. This centralized heat source pushes hot air evenly throughout the entire cavity, providing a more stable and consistent cooking environment. How powerful is it? On electric models, the rear ProBake element is rated at 2500 watts, several times stronger than what you'd find in some other convection systems. Pair that with a 1600 RPM variable speed fan and you get precise airflow and consistent temperature control on every rack. And it's not just for electric. LG is the only brand with a true full gas ProBake system too. Using an industry-exclusive design, the 19,000 BTU ProBake gas burner maintains consistent airflow without blowing out the flame, a huge innovation for gas cooking performance. Now, some of you might be wondering, but without a bottom heating element, can a ProBake oven really brown food properly? It's a fair question, and the answer is absolutely. When you select bake on a ProBake model, the rear heating element powers on and the fan runs at a lower 1300 RPM, gently circulating air to mimic that classic gentle heat environment ideal for breads, casseroles, and pastries. Switch to convection bake, and that same fan now runs at a faster 1600 RPM, increasing air circulation for more even results, especially when using multiple racks. It's all about giving your customers the right performance for every recipe, from soft, delicate bakes to crispy, evenly browned meals. Now let's really show you what ProBake's performance can do. We're going to load 7 frozen pizzas, 1 per rack. In a conventional oven, we'd expect the top and bottom pizzas to come out more done or overcooked, while the ones in the middle might lag behind. Let's see how ProBake handles it. While those pizzas bake, let's talk about some of the extra benefits that come with ProBake. First off, everything happens faster, from preheating to baking, thanks to the powerful concentrated rear heating element. And to help ensure you don't overcook your meals, ProBake ranges also include a built-in convection conversion feature. It automatically sets your bake temperature 25 degrees lower to account for the enhanced heat circulation. That way, you get great results without the guesswork. Beyond your standard convection bake, roast, and air fry settings, ProBake's precision opens the door to something even more impressive: LG's Air Sous Vide. It's a premium feature that normally requires special equipment, but with ProBake, it's built right in. Cleaning is easier too. Since ProBake ovens don't use a bottom heating element, the oven floor doesn't get as hot, which as a result makes them easier to wipe down. And paired with LG's specialized Easy Clean blue enamel oven cavity, regular messes come off with minimal effort without the use of harsh chemicals or high heat. And just in time, the pizzas are ready. And here's the proof. 7 pizzas cooked simultaneously on 7 different racks, all evenly cooked from top to bottom. That's the difference with LG's ProBake Convection. Faster, more efficient cooking from start to finish. Endless cooking options to satisfy every home chef. Even results on every rack, every time. And an oven that stays cleaner with less effort. It's all the performance your customers want, without the trade-offs. Thank you for joining us in the lab. Until next time, life's good.